saying this.
Big letter out, Mom.
Tangle the sillies, lost and found. Tangle the sillies, lost and found. Oh no, well, and the big goodbyes will live in my head. Wow, we hold it for that long. Oh yeah, we did. What's the fifth leg? Cassandra. Cassandra. Cassie. Cassandra. Okay. Cassandra. What? Cassandra, what? No! No! See you? What? What, Mama? Cassandra, what? Wow. What? Am I going to be white coal someday?
I hope not.
No. You're not going to be white
I've
coal.
already got a lot of black in me.
What? No. Cassandra, come back. Cassandra, look. Cassandra, come back here.
Look, she has power, though. You like power.
You have power, though. But power of cuteness. You got a power of adorableness. What? Cassandra! Cassandra!